How to post a business ad on Facebook Marketplace. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. So to post a business ad on Facebook Marketplace, there are different ways of doing it. So I'm going to be showing you some of the basic ways on posting an ad on Facebook business account or marketplace. So first of all, what you can do is you can find a budget that works for your business. So you can start, stop and pause your ad at any time, so you're always in control. Make sure that the budget based on ads like yours, so you can feel informed when you decide to spend it on. Apart from it, you can also reach out to people who wants to hear from you. So you decide who sees your business ad, narrow down your online ad audience by interest, gender or location as well, and use ad targeting to find the people most likely to click. Apart from it, you can also create an ad that shines on every meta app. That means blend seamlessly with your customers' favorite content and come in mini visual engaging format as well. You can use videos and images you already have or take your social media ads to next level like meta creative best practices and all that. You can also track your ad's performance in real time. So every time you run an ad, you can see how many people react, commented on, share and clicked on it. Use those insights to improve your further and future ads campaign. You can also simplify ad creation with automated tools. So these were some of the ways to post a business ad on Facebook Marketplace. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.